This is the Startup Impact Team. We are
Yannick,
Malte,
and Ingo. In this short video, we will provide you an overview about our new approach to impact measurement targeted specifically at startups. We explain you the use of our highly automated Excel tool and present you a workshop format that guides you through the measurement process. Startups typically have limited time, financial, and human resources, and additionally fast-changing business models. Our lean approach to impact measurement responds to these needs and additionally provides relevant information to impact investors.
With our new approach, we offer you a very practical approach to impact measurement. That is, first of all, based on sound scientific research and was developed by academics with extensive practical experience in management and sustainability consulting. We tested and refined our approach with various startups to ensure its use for you. In our one-day workshop, we will develop a comprehensive theory of change together with you and collect assumptions to quantify your impact, so that our Excel tool can then automatically create an impact dashboard, which you can see here, with suitable graphics for your next pitch. Building on the workshop data, the tool will also conduct a sensitivity analysis that helps you to improve your impact, guiding you to the most relevant impact levers. Our one-day workshop consists of two parts. The first part of the day, we will develop your theory of change based on your business model, and we will practice how to pitch your impact. During the second half of the day, we'll focus on the quantification. This means developing quantitative assumptions about your impact that the tool can then automatically translate into the before shown output graphics. Well, now Malte will jump right into the tool to show you how all this works.
Thank you, Yannick. We start to summarize the findings of part 1 in the tool. The tool contains a lot of explanations and helpful hints, allowing you to continue and improve the calculations after the workshop on your own. Based on the status quo solution and your business model, our approach only focuses on the top 3 changes you create. In this first step, you will document key elements of the theory of change, which is already a first result, allowing you to better explain your impact in the future. In the second step, we will quantify each change. Each of the next 3 tabs has equal structure. The white cells ask you to fill in either numbers on the right side or explanation text on the left side. Based on your forecasted activities, which can be products you sell or services you offer, you calculate how many people you affect. A selected indicator will then quantify the potential changes over time. With help of counterfactuals, considering, for example, partners that helped you to achieve the impact, we define your startup's total contribution. We also provide the option to value the changes and to monetize your impact, allowing you to better compare and communicate. Once you completed the quantification for all 3 changes, the dashboard summarizes the results. The sensitivity analysis shows you the most important levers and ways to improve your impact. After this short demo, you hopefully have a better idea of our new approach. So, thinking about your next investor pitch, stakeholder dialogue, or business plan update, wouldn't it be great to make your impact tangible? For instance, to explain your theory of change, quantify your impact, and communicate what difference your business really makes. With our approach to impact measurement, we can guide you to make this happen. Please contact us via email or Facebook if you are interested in joining one of our upcoming workshops. And please feel free to share this video and our Facebook page with all those who are equally interested in startups and their impact on sustainability.